Deep in the river district, a vanished power plant stirs at dusk as rusted turbines hum with secrets. It once powered the city, then vanished after a blackout, leaving maps etched with rumors and warnings. Explorers follow cracked catwalks and faded ledgers to a legend about a switch that sparked nothing. Locals recall midnight figures and coins buried under a turbine base, hints of deals between engineers and fate. Now the site reveals memory in metal, inviting viewers to chase clues while respecting safety and history.